Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. All right. So it is Friday, last trading day of the week. Hey, we are up. Things are popping. Hey, top of the morning, Mom. Hope all is well. Hope all is well. See, smooth, top of the morning, top of the morning. Yeah, as the victory match. Hey, Grand Rising, top of the morning. Top of the morning, problem child. Yoko, good morning. Brian, good morning. So they should both be green. Google is very green. I think Google closed at 160. I did so I have identified some like trend lines on everything. But yeah, Google everything broke above the trend line. They're trending up. So yeah, Google should be good. Jay, top of the morning. K, good morning. Henry, good morning. George, good morning. Casey, I wish I could trade today. I'm on a UPS truck in the rain. Oh no. The rain stopped over here. It's like clearing up now. Hopefully you get some clearing up. Hopefully you're not anywhere where you get mosquitoes whenever it chills out, cuz that's not cool. I remember when I used to do Amazon deliveries. Yeah, after the rain, the mosquitoes will come out. Sergio, good morning. Wally, good morning. Corey, top of the tops. Hey, Kareem, good morning. What trade do I buy today? Wish I could tell you. It's like sometimes the best trade is no trade. Uh, but kind of looking at things, since we are so close to the top, in my eyes, I feel like it would be good for so we could like we broke this larger trend line, so we could always come back for like a retest. So that's a possibility. But also, we're like so close to this larger demand zone on the SPY. Actually not as close on the SPY, but Q wise we're like so close that yeah, it's oh, I feel like we can continue riding the trend line. We'll see. Hey, Mass 3DRC, good morning. DGZ, good morning. Let me slide this over. What's Rodney, good morning. Yo, happy Friday, everyone. It's gonna be a good day. Good day. Great day today. I just got a message on Facebook Marketplace. Inner Healing Oasis. Hey, top of the morning. Top of the morning. Yeah. Could go for some inner healing. I can go for some outer healing too. Like my body's sore. Cynthia, good morning. Good morning. Welcome. How are you? All right. Oh, 42% red today. Everybody's hey, we leaning red today. Definitely going to give it some time this morning to, kind of see what occurs. Morning's still going to hold that spy put. Yeah. As of right now, it's still doing what I said it would. Um, Honestly, unless there is an opportunity, like there's a big pull up, it's like I'll kind of let those ride just kind of because of how things are in the market right now. So it's like I will make it back elsewhere, but no, I'll leave it on the table because it's like I see, like I can foresee downside, but it's like the timing is bad, and it's, I don't know, trauma. But yeah, I'm still holding for now. I don't have intentions of getting out. It's probably pretty close to worthless right now anyway. Grand Rising, Young Zoe. Do you think SPY will hit 535 and give back yesterday's gains? Today, so we need to, today is there is a plan for what is going to happen to the market right now according to the market makers, like according to options. But if us as retail traders, I know that this segment, like our the family here, is not large enough to really move things, but it's like it's today is going to be kind of highly dependent on where the open contracts are, and typically the market makers will like make sure that they make the most profit so that so that they can make the most money. So wherever it is going to be least profitable for the majority, whatever is going to burn the most people, if we are predominantly in calls, yeah, I can see us coming down. If we get a little too put heavy after coming down, they'll probably try to send us back up. So where will we go today? I don't know. I'm personally hoping they try to like push us up first. I would love for them to try to like send us up to like 551 and then just be like everybody buy calls, and then it's just like, oh, rug pull. But days like today, you don't know. It's a big option expiration. It's not like the largest, but it's like the second largest. So it's like, yeah. Let's see. Do you? Oh wait, hold up. Lucky J. Hey, top of the morning. Hey, we gotta. Hey, what we gonna get in here? Oh, hold up. Did not mean to do that. What we gonna get done in here? What? Let's see. I want to do one I've never done before. Have I ever done that one? Yeah, we gonna. Yeah, there we go. All right. D Scurv, top of the morning. Liking not lurking, number 19. ACHR been going wild. Should have swung those calls. Yeah, the market really liked Google earnings yesterday. Google did its thing. I had a feeling it would do well, but I didn't want to play earnings. I didn't. Playing earnings doesn't typically go well for me. So I was just, and then honestly, like looking at Google, I'm not even sure. Honestly, it's not even like it's up. It's up good, but it seemed like it was going crazier yesterday. Cause I saw that when it announced its earnings, like 159 ran up to 169. But as of right now, it's not really up what I would consider to be that crazy. So I think it's still kind of good I didn't play those earnings. Any thoughts on Google calls this morning? Hey, to everyone he's asking. So me personally, I'm saying wait and see. It's like we could have a pullback. There is a demand zone at like 156 on Google. But yeah, beyond that, I have nothing to say. Here, let's see. What's going on here? And then there's another supply zone up about 170, 171. Oh yeah, I'm getting a lot of messages on Facebook Market just for the record. All right, getting back to it. Let's see. Hey, good morning, Derek. Good morning, Evil Knievel. Chase, good morning. Christine, good morning. Nvidia will probably fall. Notice by the end of the day. Hey, we'll see. We'll see. Should have played Tesla earnings. Well, Tesla earnings was better to play after, like, the next day. There was a play that morning. I didn't play it, but hey, it was there. All right, so all right, market's open. We'll let the market kind of do its thing. We'll kind of chill here 30 minutes, see what happens. We got some data popping off in the first 30 minutes. Where's it at? All right, so we got consumer sentiment 30 minutes in the market open. And then not really much else. Where's the chart? Oh, wait, hold up. Oh, there we go. There we go. Blousing, top of the morning. 5.5 million puts on SPY and 4 point. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, that would get them. Hey, that means they're more likely to kind of push things up right now, unless they can draw some people in. Um, Here, let's see. Does help. I'm driving and I put. Disney is still chilling. I don't know what strike you got. Disney is moving down, but I told y'all yesterday I didn't really love that Disney put. But I mean, it looks like it's progressing towards it. So honestly, I feel like if anything happened to that Disney put, it probably just was affected by theta. Hood and Palantir still going after it. Let's see. Robinhood up a little bit. Oh, I didn't draw support and resistance on this today. So we got Robinhood resistance about 49.40. Got support a little under 48. And then yeah, we're here chilling. Disney reversing on the yearly. Let's see. Like the yearly chart. That's a big time frame. Let's see. See if I can pull that up. I guess we can go 12 months. It's like, okay, let's see. Oh, that's kind of wild. All right, so we think Disney's just gonna be lost for some years. There's some liquidity on. Oh no, never mind. It already swept it. Oh, so honestly, yo, this year will probably close out green on Disney. So I mean, if it's playing out, like if the market structure and the play plays out, but actually this looks good. Like if you're looking like technicals on the 12 month chart, yeah, this will probably play out well for Disney. But that's going to take a long time though. All right, let's see. All right, let's see. Oh, hold on. Let me go to live chat. You ever try the long straddle strategy? No, no. Cause actually, yeah, I have. It just requires a lot of patience, and it's like I would say I'm patient, but I'm also like usually ready to get my money as well. All All right, was looking at how it works last night. Interesting. Want to start doing spreads. I would say be depending on what kind of spread you're doing, be careful because sometimes when they get exercise, people, I don't know, people they don't get exercise correctly. Yeah, I see SoFi is yeah, it's pumping pretty nice. It's up to it's I think it should be in the supply zone actually. Yeah, SoFi. Hey, I might go light on another little put. Hold up. Hold on, let me go back and look at what it looked like before. Oh yeah. That might be my trade today. Let me see. All right. Hold on. Let's see where are we at today. What was I doing? Oh, that's what I was doing. Okay, so we got SoFi coming in. I'm gonna have to turn these Facebook Marketplace notifications off. All right, so real quick with SoFi, I'm gonna get a couple weeks time, but I'm going to grab a 1250 puts. Actually, let's see. From here. Actually, let me just get next week. Oh, still. This SoFi looks good. Like it looks really good. I wanna grab a short, but also kind of want to wait. Here, let me see what a daily looks like. What's that? 1250. Yo, I'm gonna grab one daily. I'm gonna grab a I'm gonna grab a 12. What you mean? Hold on. What's going on? Oh, hold up. Sorry, y'all. I'm trying to figure something out. Let's go. Come on. All right. So, SoFi. So I'm gonna go for. All right. I grabbed three 12-foot 50 puts that expire today. This is a day trade, and yeah, we'll see kind of what happens with these. All right, let's see. I was looking at how it works. Okay, SoFi. ChatGPT told me SoFi would be interesting plays today. T Bird, top of the morning. Are you still in the Walmart put? Yes. Yes, I am. Yeah, so I got three of those SoFis. Let me alert the family. Let's see. Everyone just grabbed 1250 SoFi puts that expire today. What is it? Paid 0.9 per share. These are lottos and will likely expire worthless. So let's see. Julie, good morning. Will the CNA, greetings. Top of the morning, family. Angie B, good morning, good morning. All right. So once again, we got what's it? Consumer? Is it consumer sentiment? Yeah, consumer sentiment. 30 minutes in the market open. That's in 19 minutes, I believe. Now we just kind of wait for the market to do its thing. Any insights on Google? It's currently pulling back. We have a range on Google. It's making its first move. So, like, honestly, right now, well, actually, yeah. Here, let's go to 1 hour real quick on Google. So, yeah, it's like if you look at Google, current range on Google, here, let's move it up. That's the current range on Google. So, right now, you kind of just got to wait for it to set its range, wait for it to finish pulling back. We got a trend line down here. So, if we come down here, that could be a potential area of interest to go for upside. But right now, it's like you either ride the pullback, which we don't know where it could end. That's what you do right now. It's like you either ride the pullback or just wait for the move to wait for some news. What's the screen I was looking at for news? So that was a Forex Factory. That was just to kind of that's just to kind of know the events that may occur for or that are the economic events that were supposed to occur for the day. Maria, good morning. Good morning. What's Google's ticker? So there's two Google tickers. There's GOOG and there's Google, like GOOGL. So they're very similar. One just has voting rights and the other one does not. Manishindu, what do you mean Class C? No problem, Evil Knievel. The two Googles confusing me. I usually, yeah, I usually look at Google as well, just because those are the good ones in my eyes. Steve, hey, welcome to the family, man. Happy to have you. Hey, Frank, top of the morning, Grand Rising. So Goog and Google are the same. The reason I didn't go to the Google or the chart's the same. It's the exact same thing as Google. There's like no difference. Number wise it's different, but I prefer to look at Google. So the same thing I just said about Google, it's the same thing for this. But I stay on Google because these shares actually have voting rights. So it's the same thing. So if you want to like take what you see here and draw it on the other on the Class D shares, that would be how you look at that. Top of the morning, Jeremy. What did I do with my SPY put? Yeah, I'm still holding on. It's like everything that I thought, like nothing has changed. It's like the reason that I got in the SPY put, they're still valid. Dang, SoFi is pushing. Let's see if we can test resistance somewhere. Hey, Lucky J with the sunshine. I feel like we're getting a lot of push and pull right now. It's like we got some stuff pushing up, we got some stuff pulling back. Here, let me see if there's make sure there's not like some catalyst behind this. Stride and Fresh Pet have been highlighted. Zex, why is that on SoFi's news? Here, let me come down to, let me look at this SPY on the 1 hour. Let's see. I might be tripping, but it looks like we're reacting to something. Oh yeah. I'm gonna get one more do something else risky too. Let's see. What's that? No, I'm gonna hold off for now. We'll just ride with the SoFis for now. All right. Do you think SPY is going to go up or down? It looks right now. It looks like we'll come down. I have current support at like 544, I guess. We'll see if they can come below support, but it looks like they this is like a 1 hour supply zone from some time ago. So let's see how we do. All right, what did I do with my? I think I picked up that SPY put the day before. Did I pick it up yesterday? I still have the put. I still have the put. But oh, that's what I'm tripping about. Hold up. I still have the put from yesterday. Let me see. Yeah, I'm holding it. There was some news on China giving some relief on tariffs to U.S. Is there? We'll see if that has an effect today. what I actually need to be looking at is oh, hold up, EA is coming down. Let's look at that too. So here, this thing moves so bad. Let's see. Is SoFi good for puts or calls? I grab puts. I'm assuming that this is just going to be liquidity. So we got a supply zone here, liquidity up here. So I'm thinking it's going to sell off, and I think my target for that would be probably about 1157. So I have some 1250 puts that expire today. So I'm playing real risky with SoFi, but I think got some potential there. Hopped in SoFi put on the rip, average 5. Which one did you get? The same one I got, or did you get like a different strike? GD, top of the morning. Here, let's look. So we got the VIX. The VIX is up a little bit. The PCE it's kind of low. PCE's at 60.65. That's low for the current market environment, at least. SoFi still pushing. Here, I'm gonna come down to the 1 hour. Ooh. SPY and Qs look like they're seeing a lot of selling pressure. Let's look at FNGA. So FNGA is in a supply zone. So to my holders of FNGA, hey, just beware of that. They've made it to the next supply zone, so they might have a little pullback. All right, and this 1 hour candle, at least on the SPY, is looking. We got like what is it, like 7.5 minutes till it closes, and then we get consumer sentiment. If it closes looking like this, we're probably about to sell off. Same 12.5 today. Okay. Hopped into SoFi puts. You're in as well. Got 4 contracts at 5 cents. Oh, everybody just getting better prices. I see y'all. Prices looking right. All right. So the weather in Texas is all over the place right now. I've been up since like 4. It was like extra windy, rainy. Now it's all sunny and clear. Am I still in Disney? I never got into Disney puts. I just mentioned that they were on Derive. I personally said I wasn't like too big of a fan on the Disney put, so I never took that trade. But let's see how Disney's doing real quick. Let's see. Quick check in over here. I feel like Disney will hit the target, but I think this is about the price Disney was at whenever I mentioned it though. All right, SoFi, yeah, kind of pulling back a little bit, or tiny pullback, but he said that's a fact. I'm still in Disney, down 7 per contract. I feel like Disney will. I'm watching Disney right now. I feel like it can at least pull back to the 13 EMA, which is at like 88 and 12 cents. So we'll see. Once again, we still got like 6 minutes on this candle. Let me see if Derive has anything interesting. They got they got an Nvidia put, a 102 Nvidia put that expires next week. They got a SPY put that expires on the 29th. It's a 529 SPY put. Yeah, we'll see what happens though. Hold on, let's see. All right, let's see. I forgot how annoying it is to fill contracts on Webull. Why is it annoying to fill contracts on Webull? I forgot too. It's been a while. Like it's been a long while. So what's annoying about the contract fill on Webull? Way slower than Thinkorswim? Is it? I didn't think it was that slow whenever I used to use it. Like gotta buy at the ass basically. I thought that was how you get your order filled, is buying at ask. But hey, mate, hey, I don't know what to say. Hey, Weeble is Weeble. Hold on one second. All right, let's see. Usually buy at the bid. Well, it's like if you buy at the bid, usually it's not going to get filled right away anyway. It's like that comes down to the way the contracts are moving. Yeah, that's what I do, buy at the ask. I mean, yeah, I usually buy at the ask too. If the spread's wide, I might try to like put my price in, go somewhere in the middle, but I usually pay more than bid price. All right, Disney is down to 89.46. Hey, it's coming down a little bit, making some downward progress. Let me come down to a 1 hour chart. Hey, it's right now it's below the EMA. It's at support right now. Yeah, Disney's at support. It's a very mixed bag right now. If you look at the chart on the side of the screen, it's like it's pretty even, like blue and red when you look at it. And the thing that's the most green percentage wise is what is it, SoFi? Come on, Nvidia hit 108 so I can. Oh, didn't wasn't Nvidia like right there? Oh, that was in the pre-market, right? Dang, they went and hit your 108. Where we open up? Oh, it got pretty close, bro. They like to play games. They're playing with you. Yeah, I see like 108.46, but it's like okay, we're getting a little. Hold up. Okay, so that 1 hour candle closed in the red. Not on the Qs though. Interesting. Maybe we get another more sideways movement. Hey, what if they just don't move it today? All right, let's see. Let's see. It's worked perfectly in the past 4 years before switching. Hey, maybe I would I would take a look at Weeble. Do you pay for live options quotes? Cause I would make sure I would take a look at Weeble and see how the options prices are moving or if they're moving. Cause they took away my ability to trade live options quotes without paying, and I thought it was moving slow at first too. Nah, I just wasn't seeing the quotes in real time, so I would pay attention to that. Spies in the game of tug of war. Hey, 100%. Yeah, they're right now like since the market is opened. Here, let me go down to I guess a 15. It opened, ran up real quick to 148, and then we got like some serious support down here like 144 or 544. I would really like them to put a stock exchange in Austin. Hmm. Wonder how that would do. That doesn't seem like very Austin to me. I don't know. Stock exchange in Austin. I feel like I could see it in Dallas. I like in like the banking districts and stuff. But actually, I guess I don't know Austin well enough. I guess it's like that's not the way I think of Austin. Like when I go down there. Oh, SoFi is pushing. Hey, I might get my contracts ate up. We'll see. Oh wait, hold up. So the data came in. Let's see how consumer sentiment came in real quick. Let's do a quick refresh. Better than expected. Is that going to push us up or like what's going on with SoFi? That's my question. Never been to Texas. Used to date a girl from Crowley. I don't even. I'm not even familiar where Crowley is. I gotta look that up. It's near Fort Worth. I've never heard of Crowley. SoFi has earnings on the 29th. Are we bullish on SoFi? Like, are we bullish on SoFi earnings? Honestly, there's not anything in particular that like would draw me to them or draw me to their earnings. Let's see. I heard they wanted to put one in Texas. Oh, we're talking about a stock market exchange? Let's see. Let's see. All right, so I'm starting to see a little bit more green. SoFi and Chime. Oh, I don't ever look at Chime. I don't even know their ticker. Over 1310, yeah. Yes, bullish. Major customer acquisition. Have they? Here, let me run some analysis on SoFi real quick then. SoFi Technologies initiated without perform. Oh, okay. That'll do it. That will do it. Here, let's see. Okay. I don't know. I feel like there are way too many calls on this though. All right, let's see. Dang, SoFi running. Citizens, JP Morgan coverage with the outperform rating, $17, implying 38%. Good morning. Here, I might have to go ahead and get calls too. Let me see what the calls are looking like. I probably should have went both ways. Oh yeah, that put is worthless now. Let's see. All right. You said a good thing SoFi put never got filled. How'd your put not get filled? It's like it should be worthless now. Should have been filled. Unless you canceled it. Saved by the Weeble. Hey. Good morning. Late, but hey. Better late than never. I feel like I'd be chasing now with SoFi. Yeah, I feel like I'd be chasing now. What's the next place it could go? So it's right here at 1213. Hmm. Let me see how much is. My SoFi put is trash now. I feel you. Do I trade with Moomoo also? Yes. Yeah, my SoFi put is very much trash as well. SoFi was previous at 18. Might have been. Yeah, I'm thinking so too. Chart wise, chart wise, I don't expect this to last. I feel like this will end up being a wick. But catalyst wise, catalyst and coming to earnings wise, that can disregard the chart. But I'm still gonna hold my SoFi first off because I have no option because it's worthless now, and then second off there is still a possibility that that ends up in the money. Let's not forget today is what it is. So if it moves enough, it'll get closed out on its own, and I'll have a little money or maybe break even, but we'll see. Now that GameStop is becoming tangible, I'm kind of not all into them anymore. I'm not too big a fan of GameStop. I just hey, when it's time, it's time, but I'm not too big a fan of them. Do I think Uber, where's Uber at right now? Hey, D Scurv, you're about there with Nvidia. Hits 82 today. What time frame? This is a 1 hour. Uh, no, I don't think so. Uber. Oh wait, that the top of that zone is 82. Okay, never mind. It could. Yeah, it could. Lotto plays. Do you have a put on the spy on Thursday? Yeah, I got a put yesterday. It is a. Let me see. What is it, like a 525 or something? Yeah, I got a 525 that expires on I think Monday. All right, I mess with GameStop because there's like a whole political movement behind that as a community of people. Hey, you know the same thing could have been said about AMC, but nah, it's like they kind of trapped the people holding the shares. Walmart on the 4 hour, I think it has been an uptrend. Let's see. That's the 1 hour, 4 hour. Walmart is very. So yeah, it's been in an uptrend. Like it's pretty much been in an uptrend since, I don't know, it's been in an uptrend since April 9th on the 4 hour chart. But it needs to get above this 96. Like it needs to break. You need like a solid break above 96 to get above that though. So right here it either sells off pretty heavy, which is I think what we're leaning towards, or it kind of blasts off. Got a Walmart put yesterday. It has not worked out yet. Well, I think the Walmart put was supposed to take some time. I say so I'm in Walmart puts too. I say give it for me. I'm gonna give it to like the end of the day. I might come check in around. I don't know they what they actually. I have till next week, but it's like I'm gonna come check back in the last 30 minutes of the day. If they haven't made significant movement, hey, I'm probably cutting out of it. Like if they haven't progressed towards like where I if they haven't progressed anywhere. If SPY breaks resistance, where's the next level? So next level, that's kind of here. I don't know about next level. I know where I want to see it. It's like I want to see it up here at 571. Honestly, next like level on the 4 hour, 555, about 558, about 563. Then there's like a liquidity up to 571. SoFi looks like it's slowing down a little bit. Actually, let me watch SoFi on like a let's see them on a lower time frame. Is SoFi a slower moving stock? Wait, hold on. I see a lot of comments. Tesla looking good today. Oh, haven't read. Oh, dang. Oh, Tesla looks like it's in the. Here, let's see. Tesla should be in the supply zone. If I'm not mistaken, let me see. I might be making that. Oh, no. Tesla still has a little bit to go. So, Tesla, there's some liquidity at about 276. And then, like, just above that, there's a supply zone. So supply zone it tops out at 285. And then there's some liquidity above that at like 292. What do you think Palantir's doing? Palantir has just been running, right? I think it's close to a level that we were talking about. Oh yeah, Palantir. Ooh, I don't know. So it's like I drew this supply zone, right? I believe. What is that what this is? Yeah. Drew the supply zone. Ideally, it will reject. So, ideally, you get some sort of sell off, and then the next demand zone is going to be around this kind of 102.50 level. Is SoFi a slower moving stock? So SoFi is weird. Yeah, SoFi moves slow, except for when it moves fast. Most days SoFi moves pretty slow. Or no, actually, I wouldn't necessarily say it moves slow. I would say its range is like typically smaller, and then I would say it moves okay, like percentage wise. I don't know, it'll just like not move much, or it'll move a lot for where it's at. Most days it doesn't move like a lot. Wait, I was thinking 5,700 for SPX is what we're pushing to for next before the next boss fight. SoFi doesn't really have that wide of a range. Nah, yeah, it's like it'll have like days where it just runs. But yeah, most of the time the range is pretty tight on SoFi. Couldn't SPY just coast here? It's very well possible. I feel like so that's is tough. It's like it can either go up huge, go down huge, or yes, it can coast. It can do all of it. It's like where are the options at? All right, so right now the PCE is oh, it's kind of chill. It's kind of chill. Sonya, good morning. But yeah, the SPY could. Like I got this trend line drawn on the SPY. Honestly, I think this is I think we're gonna close out I think we're gonna close out I think it's gonna come down. This candle, this candle, they they show the story of bearishness. Um I would really like to see us break this trend line, but honestly it might come down to about the if I had to guess about the time I normally get off. I think that's kind of when we might see the SPY move. Tesla oversold on the daily and weekly. Overbought or oversold? Let's see. I mean, Tesla's pretty close to being overbought. Not quite yet. Oh, wait, hold on. I don't know what you're looking at when you say daily and weekly. On the 4 hour, I see Tesla is close to being overbought. But ideally, if it's overbought, like you get the combination of, hey, this is actually up here in the green. This is up here in this zone. And that'll kind of be more a more solid setup or more solid like something to see if you're watching for downside. Have you ever rolled an option contract that you were down on? Um, yeah, I have, and yeah, it has been. Sometimes an extra, sometimes that extra time can make a difference. It really just depends. I would say like if I had a contract I was down on and it was going to expire today, it's usually better to just get a new contract and not necessarily roll it because the money that's going to go towards it is not really going to be significant. But if uh, if it's like if I have like 2 weeks left on the contract and I'm like, oh, I don't think it's going to happen in time, then it's usually a good move in my eyes. Where when the stock is near supplier demand, how do you gauge if it's going to break to upside or if it's going to reject? So first off, you want to trade with the trend. So first thing you want to look at is the trend. So by looking at the trend, you go back, you look at what's the current range you're in. So right now, looking on the SPY, let me look real quick. So the SPY on the 4 hour is in a bearish range, but that doesn't fully matter because the supply zone is up here on the 4 hour. Like this zone that I have us selling off from right now, this is a 1 hour supply zone, but we've touched it once. We kind of touched it again this morning. And it's like you can get a reaction from this. You just wouldn't expect anything as crazy as you would from up here. So it kind of comes down to the direction of the trend. So once again, downtrend 4 hour. On a 1 hour, we're in an uptrend. So it's like maybe if you get a complete candle close outside of that or like past it, and the next one stays above it too, then it's like, okay, we broke it. But if it's just a wick, then it's like, oh yeah, it looks like we might reverse. Here, let's see. Kevin, good morning. 60 lurkers not liking. Dang, that's a lot of lurker non-likers. Oh, there's a lot of people in the room looking at me right now. I don't know how I feel about y'all. I don't know. Do you ever trade SPX and does? So I have done an option once. Honestly, I'm gonna be real. I was just copying someone's trade, and it went from like 10 cents to like 200. But it was like a zero DTE, and it was like a day where things move huge. So I that's not it's not my style, but I know it's possible with it. So it's like I have, but I don't. And the SPX, they move very similarly. It's just like with the SPX, their like kind of charts will look a little different. So SPY on the 1 hour here, let's pull up. So this is SPY on the 1 hour versus here, this, and this is SPX on the 1 hour. So their charts are the same. It's just SPY has more continuity and less gaps because it's like SPX is only moving during actual market hours. So if SoFi begins to dip from here and does not come back up, you think it's over with? So ideally, yeah, SoFi right now, this is a 4 hour candle, so something we'll commonly see on a 4 hour is it maybe like for the first 3 hours of the candle or the first 3 hours and 30 minutes, it'll look like super bullish. And then it's like, oh, in the last like 10, 15 minutes of the candle, the last hour of the candle, it'll just sell off. And then we'll get the close, like it'll close below the top of the supply zone, showing like, hey, this zone is not mitigated. And when I say mitigated, it's like the zone is is not invalid. It hasn't been invalidated. The zone is still valid. And when it like still closes within there, it's like, oh, that's a sign of a reversal when you see a big wick like that and it's in the zone. So it's like it's very well possible. That's why those puts I had on SoFi, they can go crazy. Watching Fox News, they were saying over the weekend if Turfist talks, oh, tariff talks go well, we could probably have a big bump in. Hey, that's very well possible. My question is, what are the odds that things go well? It's like I don't know. I'll take my chances with my puts more than likely, but honestly, might need to throw some. I don't know. That's why I get shares. It's like a dollar cost average every day to benefit from the upside, and right now, just kind of eat off the puts whenever they decide to pay. Hold up, okay. Yeah, we got a lot of lurkers. That's like 42 lurkers. That's a lot. Hey, Josh, good morning. Shane. Oh, the Q's just tanked? Oh yeah, everything's tanking right now. Yeah, it's playing out the way it should. I'll say the spy and the Q's did look different though. Hold on, let's see. Oh, actually on the 4 hour, the Q's still actually look really bearish too to start the day. So on the 4 hour it is, but like on the 1 hour, the spy was looking bearish that last candle, and the Q's was kind of like the Q's looked like they could kind of do anything on the 1 hour. Oh, is Disney dumping? You getting the dump you wanted? All right, there's your Disney dump. There you go, Disney people. All right, I'm looking at Derive now. I see a 445 put on Derive that expires on the 29th. Oh, that was from 21 minutes ago. So that was when oh no, the accuser's kind of at the same price, so it went higher after that, but it still has that same target. Tesla, there's a put on Tesla. Ooh. That is a far strike. Oh, that's probably just because it's just expensive. It's probably not going all the way there. But it's a $210 strike on Tesla for a day trade. And then we got a SPY day trade. What is it? It's a put. Oh, it's the one I called out earlier. Let's see. I swear I've been voting. Read with my heart and not with my brain. Like if you can accurately pinpoint the price, in-day price, your gold. Disney short-term downtrend, but yearly chart. Give it 120 in 2 months. That could happen. SoFi needs to stay under 1289. SoFi needs to come back down to this. They need to come take this liquidity at 1134. All right, let's see. I think my break even on SoFi should be okay. All right, the SPY is coming to the trend line. Let's see how SPY does at this trend line. Or actually, right now it's testing support. We'll see how it does at support. Just broke even on my divs. About to set a tight stop loss. Oh, D Scurv says SoFi needs to hit 15. Hey, let it come on down first. I still got an order for SoFi down at like 9 something. I'm like, yo, let's get SoFi there first. I want the market to come down so we can ride it up. I remember at the end of the year, I was talking about like a SoFi at $20. That has not happened yet, but hey, very well was. I feel like there was a point I had like some $22 calls on SoFi, but it is what it is. Oh, Chef Nick, hey, what's up? A lot of people be trading way out of the money contracts. Hey, Video Rillo, good morning. Stay until 4 p.m. today. Oh, dang. Hey, you're in there, family. Hey, we'll see if the market's still interesting at 4 p.m. But Walmart showing signs of life for my put. Okay. Thought it was dead. Hey, cool. Wait, does the Walmart put expire today? Yeah, they're not gonna make this easy. They're not gonna make this fast. It's just gonna be yeah, it's gonna be a ride. All right, let's see. Walmart ghetto. I went to Walmart for the first time and I don't know how long yesterday. Went to get some what is it? Some of those like dishwasher things. So yeah, I went to Walmart yesterday. Normally I would have just ordered it off Amazon, but Disney doing silly moves lately. Wait, did we say moves or movies? Hold on, let me see. Hey, what's one of the movies they did that's silly? I still haven't seen that Snow White, but I heard it's terrible. Hey y'all let me know if y'all saw the Snow White. Is it worth it? Let me know. Still haven't seen it, but oh, hold up, Tesla. Hey, Tesla looks like it's getting pretty close to that. Yeah, it looks like it's getting pretty close to that supply zone. So yeah, Tesla is now overbought, and it's approaching like short territory. Yeah, Quiana, I bought the dish pods or what? Yes, let it come down. SoFi will hit. Hey, I'm here for that. I'm here for that D curve. Let it hit that. Just bring it on down first. Let me load up before we go up. I just sold my Target stock this morning. Any ideas on what I should buy next? Um, Something at a really good price. There's a lot of stuff. No, you're staying till four. Oh no. I have plans at noon, so I'm supposed to go somewhere with my wife. So for sure, will not be here till four. But I will check it out. I will check in on the market for sure, like on my phone. But nah, the sun is shining. Yo, it's calling me. Outside is calling me. I gotta go out and live in the world. Just so my wait, okay. Yeah, expires today. Oh, I'm not trying to. Okay. Where do you go to shop usually? I am married, and my wife does so I do a lot of my shopping on Amazon, but my wife, a lot of the times while we're on stream, that is when a lot of the food and stuff gets purchased. So I don't shop that often. That's why I was talking about like yesterday we were talking about HEB and I was like, oh yeah, it's been a minute since I've been there. So I would say I don't know. I would say like a lot of HEB is where my wife goes, but there will be a little bit of Walmart, some occasional Target, some occasional Trader Joe's, but predominantly HEB, I believe. My Walmart put okay. Saw it, fell asleep in the theater. Oh dang, fell asleep. Hey, pay for a good nap. Hey, I hear that's the hack if you're traveling. You got like a layover or something, and don't just want to be in the airport. Yo, just go to a movie theater. Pick a really bad movie. I hear it's nice and dark, and I hear that the ticket's cheaper than paying for like one of those pods or whatever. I kind of wanna watch Tesla. Yo, I'm feeling like a little degenerate today. So it's like we got supply up here. It's like if we can snag something, my goodness. Like if we can get like a today reversal, yeah, I'm gonna watch Tesla on the 5 minute. Cause Tesla might be a good that might be a good high risk put. Oh wait, hold on. I typed in put. Let me look at some zero DTEs. See what they're going for. Ooh, was dang nah. I don't know. It's more than I want to put towards a zero DTE. It might be good money, but I don't know. We'll see. If they get deep enough in there, if they get deep enough in there early enough, But I don't know. It looks like there's good good area for a strong reversal, but I don't know. Let's what's Tesla stock rises. Robo taxis just got a step closer. Really? Oh, let me look at the news. D Scurv, you still? Oh, okay. I see you just sold. Okay, cool. I was just about to ask you. Let's see. Usually they have really good chairs. Yeah, depending on the theater. Yeah. All right. So looking back at the spy, it looks like we held up at that at support. All right. Yeah, they're playing with the people today. They're playing with the people. That 111 call from Derive. Oh, it's up 64%. Okay. Some alert just got hit. Oh, I think it's Nvidia crossing resistance. Hold up. Let's this might be a place for a reversal on Nvidia. No, probably not. We'll see. But if there's liquidity here, let's go to a 15. TSLL. Um, TSLL would be the equivalent of Tesla. Just take what the chart looks like, and it's gonna be the same. Yeah, the same place that it is on Tesla, it's gonna be on TSLL. You just look at the chart. So it's like, oh, if it's this candle on Tesla, you can even see the little dotted line in the same spot on TSLL. That candle is the zone. Or actually, it's not that candle. It's like this one over here. Let's zoom out. Wait, let's see. Yeah, it's right here. Wait, I'm so confused. Oh, it's this one up here. So TSLL, you're looking at anywhere from like 1082 up to like 12. Oh, I know what you're saying now. Yeah, I was looking at. Okay. Yeah, for the day trade. Let's see. Let's see. All right, I got in on a Tesla put at 270. Nvidia can go to 114. Potential head and shoulders on SoFi short time frame. Made it quick. Hold on. quick 25% on QQQ call. I trade out of the money to withstand the pullbacks. Hold on, y'all. Let's see. Lost sound, had a refresh. Oh, I was being quiet, so you didn't miss out on anything. All right, let's look back at Tesla. Okay, it's in that zone. All right, so let's see what TSLL is looking like. Let's see. Let's see. Hold on 1 second. I gotta. All right, so what was I saying? What was? Oh, we were looking at TSLL. These people are like blowing me up on Facebook Market. All right, so TSLL, if we were looking at today. So here, let's see. So we have a see something. Oh yeah, it's still there. So a 950 put, what would that be the equivalent of? 950, that's so that would be probably about, oh, that's about the, oh, that's better. But that wouldn't move as far. But the one that's in the money, All right, yeah, let's see how high Tesla pushes up. We might be able to run it. Let me check the headlines and see what's being pushed out, but Tesla might be a good one for a reversal. Okay, Tesla shares up 6.5. BOE says, okay, let's see. BOE says risk is now on deflationary side because of tariffs. Getting a lot of Bank of England stuff. All right, yeah, Tesla's pushing. Okay. Let's watch Tesla on a 1 minute. Yeah, I watched Tesla on a 1 minute. I'll trade it on 1 minute with the EMA. What is the expiration date on that? I didn't get a. Oh, you're talking about the one on Derive? Shoot, the one the it was for next Friday. It was a 210 put, but that seems outrageous. It was also a C plus setup, so not the best. Oh, they just put a oh it has an F. It has an F rating, but they just put out a SoFi short on Derive. It's a $13 strike that expires next week. Amazon just got a call. These are all like F setups though. They're all pretty low. All right, I have been half listening, so I don't know if you actually. Oh, I didn't pull the trigger. Right now I'm watching Tesla. I'm seeing kind of what goes on, but I have not pulled any triggers. Tesla's definitely losing momentum. Yeah, it's looking like it's starting to flatten out a little bit, or at least on the 1 minute. I just realized you went to Vail and didn't come to. Oh no, I didn't go to Vail recently. I lived in Colorado Springs for like 3 years, and I had a have a friend with like some property in Vail, so I would go ski there a couple times a year, or I snowboard, but it's like yeah, I would go to. I've had this shirt for years. But I still haven't been to Steamboat Springs yet. It's on the list. It's on the list. I've been watching Tesla closely and was thinking about a play. And once I heard you talk about it, I was like, okay, then it's real. TSLL dropping on the 5, looking okay on the. Okay, hold up. All right, I'm really just playing this 1 minute right now, so we'll see. All right, so let's see. All right, so we're still holding up right now. Wait, what would it look if I got a week? No. Actually, hold up. Let's look. So delta is 0.5. Delta is 22. If we get a week, that delta is 37. All right, so what about this one? That one's lower. Decisions. But I could, oh, okay. I think I know. Wait, let's see. One more thing. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I mean, I'm hoping we can still push a little bit more, but or like push higher, but if not, if we lose right here, then hey, I'm going for it. All right, let's see. SoFi pulling back a little bit. All right, I'm gonna go for it. All right, so I grabbed two TSLL $10 puts, and I paid 30 for each of them. Might be early. It's on the 1 minute, but I'm just trying to mess around today. But I also think it has potential too. Everyone grabbed another lotto that expires today. Just grabbed a $10 TSLL put, paid 0.3 per share. There we go. All right, so let's come to a 1 minute on TSLL. See how we move. I think my break even on that would be what is it? So my break even's down here at like 970 on TSLL. Oh, it's already moving. That's cool. That's cool. Hey, good stuff. All right, so up like 13% on that. All right, let's see. Tatiana, hey, how's it going, Tatiana? Hope all is well. If you get in TSLL, how? Oh, it's. I don't have a choice but to day trade. There's zero DTEs. I'm being reckless with this. Made 50 on SoFi today. Hey, good stuff, family. Hey, way to ride that pop. All right, yeah, hey, Tesla on his way down. That's cool. That's cool. It's like extra oversold. Hey, we're pretty close to break even on the TSLL already. Oh yeah, 4 cents away. That thing moving. Oh, you said you missed it? It's possible this is only the beginning because this is if I was on the 5 minute, it's still here. Let's go up to the 5 minute on TSLL. The equivalent, I believe, is like 960. But there could be more pullbacks to the downside. So if we go back to a 1, let's see. Yeah, if we go back to a 1, it's like maybe it comes back up to, or I guess back up to 986. Hopefully test is test that as resistance. SPY is still chill. Oh, I didn't mean to go there on the SPY. Yeah, we're still holding up on the SPY right now. All right, so yeah, we're moving, we're rolling, we're rocking. The day's young. We're like an hour and a half into the day, so who knows where things will close out today. But yeah, we're out here in the stock markets, stocking these markets. Yeah, I need to stop responding to these Facebook market things. People respond way too quick. Let me go to personal mode. All right, I bought some leaps on SoFi for March 20th, 20. Ooh, both calls are A. Nice, nice. Good stuff. So one thing, I guess you weren't here earlier, but one thing that we're looking at SoFi right now is kind of in a supply zone. There's some liquidity here. So it's like, in my eyes, it's like if this candle like closes up here, then it can keep moving. But if it ends up closing down here, this is probably a good point for it to like sell out and pull back. And that's kind of what we're looking for. So I grabbed some kind of risky on SoFi today. I grabbed a risky put on SoFi. All right, so we got the SPY. Yeah, we're not doing too much today. SPY's like pretty much break even right now. PCE down 20%. I feel like that means there's still room for them to sell it off. If they wait just long enough, they can sell it off. Whoa. All right, TSLL trying to come back up. Let me see what we look like on the 2 first. On the 2 minute, we just held up on the 13 EMA. We hadn't even got our close yet. But let's see if we put in a lower high. I sold an 11.5 put. 11.5 put. Oh, so you're gonna get paid to pick them up. Hey, that's some good stuff right there. It's like imagine if selling puts, or imagine if you sold that when it was at like 9. That would have been really nice. But yeah, that's good. Let's see where the 11.5 is today. I'm sure you're up on those. All right, let's see. What do you think about Omex? Omex. Not familiar with it. Let's see. Which one do we? Oh, it definitely looks interesting. So, oh, is bullish right now. Looks like at the moment, it looks like a good one to pick up on a pullback. This could be the pullback, but honestly, I have no idea what to say. It's like looks like they got support kind of around this like 90 cent level. But yeah, I don't really know how to say about that. That's something you get in with momentum. And it's like, oh, it has momentum right now, so you could potentially do it. If I look on a 15 though, I think I like this 120 level. to pick it up if I'm looking on the 15-minute chart. Disney hates you but loves your money. Hey, that sounds about right. I feel like Walt Disney was the same, actually. TSLL, let's go. All right, yeah, let's see if we put in a lower high right here on this 2 minute for Tesla and TSLL. That's a good look if we do. Walt Disney 33rd Mason? Was he really? What are the levels? Like that's a lot of levels. And if he's 33rd, what level is Jay-Z? Just out of curiosity. Oh, that's wild. All right, following Luciferians. All right, we're getting into it now, y'all. All right, let me check. Let me check the news. All right, let's see. No, last thing I see is Tesla shares up 6.5%. It's up almost 7 now. My neighbor who passed away many years ago dated Walt Disney in grade school. Interesting. Did she like have any stories? Was there like anything wrong with him when he was a kid or anything like I don't know. It's kind of wild. Milky Fay, top of the morning. Top of the morning. All right, Tesla trying to push again. Oh, hold up. TSLL going back up. Hey, maybe they make a double top. We'll see. As of right now, I'm losing now. But nah, it's like I'm still here. Oh dang. That one came with the quickness. That candle was like, ooh. All right, so back to the bullishness. Let's see how this goes on. They would stay inside at lunch together and okay, well, that makes some sense right there. Have some of the same tendencies from drawing the cartoons. It makes sense. I got a call on TSLL up 91%. When did you get a call? That's the question to me. I meant to click put. Okay. Not mad. Oh, okay. Okay, I got you. I got you. Okay. Oh, well, I'm glad that worked out for you. Glad that worked out for you. I was a little confused. I don't know why. Like I feel like it's norm. Oh, I know what it is. I know what it is. I was about to say. I was like, I don't know why, but I feel like it's really quiet in here. But I got like these acoustic panels sent to me. I'm still like putting them in, but like it is noticeably quieter. Like I was just sitting here, like when I'm not talking, and I'm just like, it sounds really quiet for some reason. But it's like I still have this window here, so it's like the sound's still gonna come through the window. But it's like got panels over here and panels over here, and it's like, yo, it's quiet. I don't even feel like noise comes from that direction. All right, what's going on with Tesla or TSLL? Right now it's looking like a double top, but it's also like we could push higher. It's trying to push. What was the SoFi put I picked up? It was like it was a 1250. So my break even on that SoFi put, let me draw my little break even line real quick. So it was a 1250, so my break even would be 1242. No. I paid 9 cents. It would be 1241 is going to be my break even for that. So yeah, 1241 on SoFi. That's my break even. That's all I need. Sometimes opposite trading pays. Hey, sometimes it does. Oh, Derive just showed they got a TSLL put too. It's a D minus on the grade, but yeah, they got a TSLL put. It's a $9. It's a scalp. It's from 10 minutes ago. Oh, it might have been whenever they came down. What is this? It was at Oh, it was when it was at about 981. So Tesla shows three green candles on the 30 minute. Here, let's see. All right, so let's go to a 5, 10, 15, 30. All right, we'll see how how strong this one is. I actually It looks like the momentum is slowing, but we still got like like 16 minutes on this candle. So did I get any plays within so I grabbed like a today I'm like extra high risk, so I grabbed some TSLL puts. I grabbed some $10 TSLL puts that expired today, and the break even is going to be 970. Or for me, oh wait, hold up. Okay, the SPY needs to go kiss 550. Oh yeah, it has not done that today. Oh dang, Tesla pushing higher. It is pushing higher. I don't know what my wife's doing, but she's making a lot of noise. All right, let's see. Yeah, we're pushing up. Disregard what I just said about Tesla on the 30. Oh, okay. I know what my wife's doing now. I think Derive is not doing so good. Not today. Nah, not today. I feel like a lot of their stuff, like the other days, have been. But yeah, I still have a. I still think it's gonna play out though. They actually did do pretty good yesterday. Just not the ones I took. Cause it's like yesterday, they had some Nvidias, they had some Googles, they had some Palantirs yesterday, and they went crazy on those. Like they had a lot of calls yesterday. It's just that's the thing about it. It's like you get a little bit of everything, and you can see the grade. Like so latest kind of update. I don't. They changed it, I guess, to make it more transparent. But I noticed today it's like now they show like a letter grade instead of it used to say superb or excellent or good or whatever or fair. Now they have like a letter kind of grade on here. And like that TSLL that's similar to what I have is it's a D minus right now. Whereas if you look on here, there may be some. You got a call on Google. I mean, it shows a D minus, but you got it there. Got a call on Amazon. It shows an F. So this would be the one I would say, hey, let's see how it does because it says it's an A plus. It expires on Monday, and there is a 529 strike. But also the stop loss was like 86 or so. Yeah, it kind of is based on timing. It's like it really, I don't know. It depends on like I feel like a lot of these have been day trades. I think I see a Google swing and I see Amazon might have been a swing. I'm not sure. No, Amazon's a position trade. So Amazon's like Amazon's supposed to be like 3 weeks. Oh, hey, actually, hold up. Let me look at Amazon. That might be some. They got earnings on Thursday. Oh, they got the earnings Thursday. I I like that. It says F, but I like that. I'm gonna save that one. I don't think I'm gonna do anything with it today, but I'm gonna save it. Appreciate getting to see how it works. Is it something you pay for? There are like free levels to it, but yeah, it's something you pay for. I don't pay for it, but there was a time I paid more than it cost for stuff like it. Like there was a point in time I paid like $200 for platforms that do similar things. But no, I don't pay for it. Looking like this could be an up day. Probably a lot of puts out there. Nvidia also shows for green. I once again I think today is going to close very differently. Like even looking at the PCE. Let's see. Where we at? So looking at the PCE, this is like the lowest it's been in a while. I think they are letting the calls kind of roll in. I think they're letting the hopes kind of get up, and I think they're going to kind of rug pull. It's like I think probably around the time that we get off, maybe within like an hour of that. I feel like it's going to come down. I think we'll get a break of this trend line. Maybe we come to fill in this gap, or maybe we come to retest this trend line. So here, let me go to a 4 hour real quick. Yeah, so that's it's like, hey, maybe we come back to like 536 or something. Fill it in. All right, let's see. What's the A plus setup? I think it was. So it doesn't show the setup. It just shows what the trade was. So where is it at? So it showed a SPY put. It was a day trade, and like it's from 2 hours ago. So it's things are different now. But let me see. It showed a SPY puts. It was a 30%. It was a trade for 30%. It was $1. And it was a 529 put. So it's like if we look, let's see. When they kind of set it out or sent it out. Have we been open 2 hours? It was trading at 547. I think it was about over here. 547.85. Yeah. Yeah, so it pretty much sent that right at the top. So actually I think that trade already played out. Cause it was only targeting 30%. All right, so that's something to be aware of. All right, let's see. On Fox News, it says Trump made 200 deals 1 hour ago. Really? Yes, rug pull like psychopath. Oh, we'll see. We'll see. We will see. I think they're going to do whatever makes them the most profitable. When you say they to rug pull, as in market manipulation, can you give? So they're referred to as the market makers. I'm not sure if hedge funds and market makers are the same, but it's like whenever you buy an option contract, the market makers are the ones selling it to you. So it's like sometimes you might actually be buying it from, like, if I'm selling an option, you might be buying it from me. But there are a lot of like options contracts, for instance, that may not have been in circulation, and the market makers put them in circulation. So they see all the order flow, they see how many people own each contract, and it's like, I don't know, say today, like right here today, we can look at Tesla, and Tesla is trading at 260. All right, let's say I wanted to buy an option call, like an $800 option call on Tesla that expires a month from now. Honestly, right now, I could probably get that for like, honestly, they're probably like, oh, that's not going to happen at all. There's no way Tesla like 3X's like that at the valuation that it's at in a month. So it's like right now, it's like they would create a contract for that, and they would probably sell it to me for a low price, just because it's like, oh yeah, that's probably not going to happen. But let's say something happened, and then tomorrow Tesla went up to 700. The market makers, they're going to get nervous because it's like, oh dang, it's only $100 away, and he still has a whole month. They're going to do everything they can in their power to drive the market back the other way, to scare me out of that trade, to make it where I'm not going to be profitable. Because if Tesla expires, if I got a contract like that for like $2, and Tesla ends up going to like I don't know, like 8,100 or $810 or something. It's like they're gonna like pay me out massive for something, and it's like they're gonna want to make the contract probably expire just below my expiration so that I do not profit from it. So it's like if you're able to see the options contracts and see, okay, it's like there are a bunch of calls at 5:15, but there are more puts on the SPY at 5:15. If there are more puts, they're going to push the price up so that so they don't pay out puts. And it's like if there are more calls, they're going to try to have the price be right below 5:15 so that they make more from the puts. The puts might be a little in the money, but there are less puts, so they're going to lose less money with that. It's like whatever makes them more profitable, the market makers kind of try to do. Can you show us how it looks, the derived thing? How long ago is that from? Because I had just showed it. What do you think of Joby? Fox News lies. Oh yeah, we'll see. It's like yeah, we'll have to see because it's like you see a headline and then it's like, oh no, yeah, that was fake news. So we'll have to see. Admins are playing with Wall Street with iffy news. I haven't received anything about any like real news or anything. I bought 529. Oh, for those are you saying that from Derive? So one thing I do want to let you know is like I still feel like SPY will sell off, but those uh when it comes to those puts that were on Derive, I think they already ran and hit their target 2 hours ago. Whenever we got this first move over here, like cuz it was pretty much like at market open when that happened. We got a move, and all it needed was to move like 30 cents. I'm talking about daily tweets, Fox News, etc. Yeah, we're not doing anything right now. Here, let's see what are we looking like on the 15 minute. So far, it's kind of like maybe bull flagging. Or let's go to let's watch SoFi on the 5 minute. So it's like chilling right on the EMA. Let's look at Q's not doing much. Let's go to a 30. Has a oh okay. That has a video link to Webull, and the Webull charts views are up to 9 at a time. Even more when you log in twice. Interesting. It's like I can't honestly I think I can have like up to 12 charts on here. Oh no, they'll let me have up to 16 charts on here. Oh no. There's a plan above my plan? I thought I had the top plan. Okay, well, apparently I can have up to 8 charts. Honestly, it doesn't even look that bad. I can do 8 charts. I'm kind of chill with this. I'm kind of chilling with the 8 charts. But we'll go back to 6 for now. Let's see. Yeah, 8 charts does not look that bad. I really thought I was on the top plan on the trading view though. Well, looks like you can do up to Oh, you said you like to play. That's why I did it. That's why you do anything. I just wanted to let you know that it I think it kind of already ran like what it was supposed to do. But I think it has potential. Like just looking at things, it's like we're still technically riding the trend. But it's like if we do end up breaking here, I think the first place we should look for today, I mean first probably like 36. Then the trend line to the downside of the one that we just broke, it would be about maybe about 533. I'm sure that people have a bunch of charts up, have a bunch of screens. I have more screens. I don't have them all up, but it's like I feel like I get overwhelmed. I have right now I have a monitor to the side. It's like a portable monitor. I have like a 30, it's a 34-inch monitor. And like I have my laptop too, but my laptop's closed. I'm still like playing with stuff right now. But yeah, what do you think about Apple puts? Let's see. What like what time frame are you looking for a day trade? I mean, right now their range is still very much internal. They probably would have been the best when they were up here at resistance, like when they were up here around 209. They're pretty close to that halfway mark now, so it's like maybe, but it's not anything I would like bet on. All right, we got 27 minutes left on this candle. Let's see. Day trading next week. You said Apple, what did you say, puts? I think there's decent potential. I think it could benefit from some puts, but it's like I don't know. It's like I still really like the thought of Tesla puts. Like Tesla's trying to move up. What I say? I said 285 would be that's the top of the liquidity and everything. It seems so far away for TSLL. Hold on. That doesn't seem right. Hold on. I don't feel like I drew it right. Oh, I drew it too. Okay. That's why that's so high. All right, so there is, like, the liquidity does go up really high. So this is the supply zone, but it could also come all the way up here as well. Isn't there supply at 544 to 560? That might be weekly supply. Let me see. So for the weekly, I have 557 to about 570, or actually probably draw it up to 577. Or if you want to say 569. If we go to a 4 hour though, which is predominantly where I do, is going to be from like 560 up to 570. But yeah, I think I think I may have gone on over it with you the other day. Wait, who? Oh, you were looking at the daily. I don't ever look at the daily for supply and demand because like all the daily charts, they more often than not it looks like ugly and messy to me on most charts. There's always like gaps and it's like it's not usually like smooth and fluid. So usually I go 4 hour weekly, 1 hour. What information do you gather from puts call ratio? You gather what's the ratio of puts to calls. So it's like it lets you know, are there more puts or more calls in the market? It's like whenever there are more puts in the market, there is a lot more fear in the market. Whenever there are, it's going to be like probably 99% of the time there are going to be more calls in the market. Because if you factor in like leaps and whatnot, it's like people hold leaps for a long time, and usually they're for the growth of a company. Less so leaps betting on downside. George, okay. What what do you think about a $500 call on QQQ for May 25th? So I don't know, right now it's like I feel like it's gonna have trouble getting above 483. So I would first want to like catch us over here, sell off to wherever we're gonna sell off. We still have like a gap to 435. We still have a fair value gap to 425. So it's like I can see us coming down before then. Can't believe I put for SoFi yesterday. I did the same thing. If you, it's like traditionally it wouldn't have been bad. Like it, yeah, it wouldn't have been bad. It's like they got a catalyst, and hey, it's like you can't anticipate the catalyst unless you know something others don't. All right, SoFi is pulling back a little bit. It's this is the first time it's really kind of wick below its. I'm not sure if it's a wick, but this is the first time it's like done this far below its EMA. It's not a complete candle close, but SoFi is below its EMA. Uh, Probably the furthest it's been all day, aside from yeah, aside from pre-market. Zoom back in on the SPY. Let's go to 1 hour. All right, so SoFi got 40 seconds left on this candle. Once again, let's see where it closes. See y'all Monday. This range in market making me sleep. Hey, what happened to 4 p.m.? No, I'm kidding. I'm not too far behind you. So hey, have a blessed day. Um, when you wake up, my assumption is things will have moved. So yo, have a blessed day. Get some good sleep, or actually go enjoy your day. Not you didn't say you were going to sleep, but yeah, enjoy your day, family. All right. All right. So rolling out too, Christine, or were you saying by the video Rillo? If you're rolling out, see you. Where do you want to see SoFi drop to? Ideally at least the 1241, but we'll have to see. It's like I was being reckless today, so we'll have to see what happens with SoFi. I'd like to see SoFi at like 11. I'm not the best at trading SoFi, but like first off, we got 19 minutes left on this candle. So first off, I want to see SoFi kind of like close below like 1273 on this candle. And then from there, if it can do that, then I don't know, $12 would be cool. But yeah, coming back to its previous range, like coming back to 1114, that'd be cool too. I think today is going to get good later. I don't know why. Yeah, it's like, yeah, not going to be here, but I think it is too. They like to wait for everyone to kind of leave and do their thing. It's like they wait for everyone to go somewhere. I am choosing which crypto to buy. Can you tell me how to buy? I have no idea. I cannot tell you that. Yeah, I'm not doing anything with crypto right here, so I'm I unfortunately am not the one, Miguel. Hey, have a blessed weekend, mommy. You're very welcome. You too, Will, the CNA. Hey, have a good weekend. And you're very welcome. No on SoFi. I need to continue going up. I would like SoFi to come down, Henry. I think we're in a little. I think we're experiencing our first little heated debate. I wanted to come down, Henry. What EMA are you using on the SPY? So everything that you see is the 13 EMA. Oh, SoFi is oversold on the 4 hour too. Now I'm looking at. I didn't even realize that. Yeah, so thereby that strengthens kind of my looking at the put as well. But all right, let's see. Nvidia looks like it wants to come down. Let's see. On the 30-minute, Nvidia looks like it just broke out. Oh, this is another one that Derive kind of did its thing on. Cause when Derive or when Nvidia was at like 102, they put out a 111 call, and it was a swing trade on Nvidia. I think we still got it right here. Yeah, we got in. I don't know. Oh, we got in on the. It was like 2 days ago. I didn't actually get in, but we're watching it. Yeah, we added it at 180, so that's another Derive play. I said look good. Let's see. I like SoFi going up with earnings. We'll see. We'll see. I once again hope SoFi comes down with earnings. Uh, that way I can scoop up more. It's like I'm buying like Nothing crazy, but I pick up like $10 of it a day. So it's like the lower it is, the more that just gets picked up. I think Nvidia is going for 115. Honestly, it could. Yeah, Nvidia is hey, very bullish. Wait, that's a 30-minute chart. Let's see. Let's go to a 4. Yeah, they're not oversold or overbought. They're on them one, but that's small potatoes. 4 hour, let's see. I mean, they haven't made a. They can come for that, but more than likely they'll probably like just with the market positioning. If I had to make an assumption, so oftentimes you'll get like this. This is just me coming in from the whole market. They'll probably they'll probably just come in here. They'll probably like pull back, retest some level. Maybe they retest like 108, 109 or something, and then come for that. I don't think it'll be a straight shot to 114, but I think they'll get there. But I think they're gonna like have a little pullback first, like maybe something like that. I don't know. Based on the trend lines on SPY, it's going to have to make a decision. Yes, very much so. Well, actually, this is a 1 hour chart. Honestly, it doesn't necessarily have to make a decision today. Or well, I guess let's see on the lower time frame. They got one on the day. Like if I were to draw a trend line on SPY, let's see. So you got that on the day, and then you just have support here. That's the only thing I can really say about the SPY. I have leaps on SoFi that expired January 26 and was doing well until 47. Got it. Oh yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. I would say that's probably an accurate statement. I've never heard him referred to as 47, but is he the 47th? Here, let me see. Is he would he not be the 45th? Well, I guess he is 47th. It's like he's the 45th, but he's also 47th. So he holds two spots. Okay. I just looked up what number Biden was, and I was like, I know he was before Biden. So yeah, there you go. Okay, I have started to learn about crypto. Are you a bot, Marcus? If you can't say anything but that, we're gonna have to like mute you. Let me see. Yeah, I'm looking at the channel. It looks very bot like. Yeah, if I see that message again, you're getting muted. So I already responded to that. Richard Fain refers to him like me. Oh, okay. I'm familiar with Richard Fain. Yeah, I know who he is. I don't necessarily watch him enough to like know that he refers to him like that, but that's a good way to refer to him. All right, Tesla is I don't know. So there's kind of some liquidity here, but then there's like really some up here. So yeah, we'll see. Yeah, we got 10 more minutes. I'm really want to see what happens with SoFi because it's still all the way up here. If it doesn't come down to like 1272 or so, and it might be off to the races. Okay. Those three green candles are undefeated, 30-minute time frame and longer. Yeah, Tesla going crazy. Almost PC way to use. What is PC? They're like I know it. I feel like I know what it means, but I can't think of what it means. Almost PC way to use 47 reference. PC. What's PC mean? When Tesla comes down, will 280 be first support? I see 277 as support. Right now it's just running. So I would say 277 is first. Okay, politically correct. Okay, cool, cool. I don't think that's what I was thinking of. I don't think that's what I was thinking of. But it still falls in line. Still falls in line. All right. Tesla shares are trading higher on news of national highway expanding exemptions for autonomous vehicles. Okay. Why did I not see that whenever I was looking for the news? I'm like, Tesla is running and it's like you try to find stuff and you don't even. Here, let me see if I look it up online. Okay, so looking, I don't even see any like when I search, I don't even see anything. Like I don't see anything like that. That's wild. Dwight, where'd you find that? Like I'm legit trying to figure out like how one finds this stuff out. Like if you can't just like search for it. I know you can get news wires, but those are like guap. Let's see. Here, let me see. Let me see how much it costs. I'm curious now. Oh, that is yeah, it's like about $600 to get anything to get like a news wire. That's wild. PC person. Oh, yeah, I know about that PC. Yeah. That was the first thing that came to mind because I used to sell them. MRK running. Oh, hold on. I'm like missing these comments. Oh my goodness. Oh, hold on. That's the 30-minute chart. Why? Adjust. Okay, so we got a price target adjustment. No pun on the P part since referring to the administration. Okay, okay, why are we getting bots in this chat here? We're gonna, okay. Where's that other guy that was saying that? Yeah, how are we getting bots on stream? All right, let's see. Do you also check the volume as well as? I don't look at the volume that heavily. It's like I will look at it like sometimes, but not like too heavily. All right, so SPY is it's touching the trend line for the day. So just like kind of based on how the day goes, this would be your area to short unless we break out here. Hold up, where's we got like 4 minutes left on this candle? Yeah, we're pushing. Under where it says 281.95, I saw that news right under there as really? BMO. Oh wait, hold on. We're not looking at Tesla anymore. Tesla launched self-driving cab. So I saw the thing about the self-driving cab and I heard about that. I guess I just didn't click on it. Robo-taxi just got a step closer. Okay. The administration understands that we're in a race with China to out-innovate and the stakes couldn't be higher. It's good news for Tesla, which is okay. I'm gonna be real with y'all. Like I have a Tesla and it's good and all, like the self-driving. I don't think it's like full self-driving ready though. Like they're still like, yo, when it rains and send those bots to El Salvador. Oh yeah, we got to. Oh, speaking of El Salvador, hold up. We need three more lives. Or we're all going to El Salvador. Hold up. Let's see. Hey, we got three lurkers that haven't liked. We're just short of having to go to El Salvador. Oh, it's getting kind of heated. Kind of heated. Yes, boss to El Salvador and the lurkers if they don't like. Hey, it might be all of us. I will not be going to El Salvador. All right, let's see. Y'all know they say El Salvador is like one of the safest countries now because of that prison. Okay. Yo, I don't. What's up with these bots? Okay, here let's. That's another one. I think we're being attacked by bots. let's see. Do you have a video on how to find level? I do. I have multiple videos on it. I'm not sure which ones. But yeah, I have multiple videos on it. All right. Did we just close? Did we just close on the 4 hour? Oh, that might be it. That might oh we did it. We did it. Okay, we hit the light count. All right, SoFi has room to keep pushing. If this candle doesn't like mirror it, it can keep pushing. I'm also like SPY is like kind of, actually I would say this doesn't matter as much, this little trend line right here. But yeah, it looks like they're trying to doing that. I don't know, Panama is pretty safe. When it comes to like crime and stuff, like reported crime and everything, uh I think as of like a year or two ago, Salvador is like supposed to be like El Salvador is supposed to be like the safest in the world, and it's supposedly because of the prison they made. Like it's kind of scared everyone into being like getting right. All right, good with SoFi pushing. 2 calls expired today. Argentina as of, oh, it's Argentina now. All right. Well, all right, that's going to do it for the day, family. I got to get ready to do some stuff. So, still kind of hopeful on the TSLL. SoFi, if it wants to retrace and like make a mirror camera candle, then I'll be able to get out at the same level. But as of today, lottos have not paid out. So yeah, that's going to do it for the day, family. Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Peace out, D Skirt. Peace out, Henry. Peace out to those bots, because you're never coming back. Peace out to Nigel. Peace out, Edie Silver. Peace out, Henry. Peace out, Lucky J. Peace out, Stock Mark. Peace out, Josh. Peace out, J Love Reacts. Peace out, M Sense. Oh yeah, I'm still here, M Sense. We're about to roll though. Peace out, Mass 3DRC. Yoko, have a blessed weekend. Peace out. Peace out, Milky Fade. Still in Disney. I once again, I still have that feeling that we are going to get rugged, but chart wise, it doesn't look like it. But it also kind of does. So I don't know. We're out of here. Yo, y'all have a blessed day. Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Peace out, family.